Hello students, welcome to Pathology PYQ series. Today's important topic is type 3 hypersensitivity. It is an immune complex mediated reaction in which antigen antibody complexes formed in circulation are deposited in tissues leading to inflammation and tissue injury. Okay, so type 2 was antibody, type 3 is immune complex. So what definition you need to write? Type 3 hypersensitivity refers to tissue damage caused by deposition of circulating immune complexes followed by complement activation and inflammatory response. So, what is the mechanism? Soluble antigens combine with antibodies to form immune complexes which circulate in blood and become deposited in tissues in blood vessels, kidneys, and joints. These immune complex activate the complement, leading to recruitment of neutrophils that release lysosomal enzymes, cause inflammation in tissues. See, what are complement? It is a slightly confusing topic. Complement is a complex network of over 30 proteins circulating in your blood that complement the ability of antibodies and phagocytic cells to clear out pathogens. When these proteins are triggered, complement proteins, they go through a rapid fire chain reaction, a biochemical cascade to destroy the invaders and alert the immune system. They do it in three ways. First is they tag. Okay, so any surface which these complement proteins tag, they become much more appetizing, much more visible. Okay, for macrophages to grab. Second is inflammation. Small fragments of complement proteins, they break off and act as chemical signals. Basically, they allow immune cells to reach the site of infection faster, like a geotag or a flare. And third is they cause cytolysis. Severe several complement proteins assemble into the membrane attack complex. They drill a hole of the cell membrane of the bacteria, causing it to swell and burst. This is I because many people try to cram this thing, but complement you cannot cram. You have to understand. So as these three things happen, the, our body will be attacked by our body. Clinical examples: serum sickness, systemic lupus erythematosus, SLE or lupus is called. It is a very uh, severe disease because it can happen to anyone, and each patient will show different symptoms. Like one patient may have a severe joint pain, another patient of lupus might have, death tired. He is taking full sleep, he is taking all the rest, but is still feeling too much tired. So systemic lupus is a big topic in itself, but here we'll go on the lighter side. Third example is post streptococcal glomerulonephritis. We have done it so many times. And Arthur's reaction. What exam oriented key points you have to remember? That this is mediated by immune complex deposition, which activates complement system. Complement activation is central to injury because it causes all the fuss. Antigens are soluble and not fixed on cells, and commonly causes are vasculitis, nephritis, and arthritis. So this is enough slightly difficult topic, and you might have to give it 3 4 times, but you will be able to see it. We have a video of this topic in English also, conceptual video, where you would be able to understand the points easily. See you in the next topic. Also, don't forget to share. Many students are not able to find my videos, but few of them, when they find, they give me so much comments, so much good comments, that sir, we are able to understand easily. In one video this whole concept was clear, and was very helpful. So please share. Okay, thank you.